The inspiration for Merrily comes from my favourite childhood film, you know, the one with the carousel and the jumping into pictures and the penguins, but also in our household Christmas starts when the vintage carousel comes to Bath and sets up outside the Abbey. So a carousel had to feature, and it birthed the collection Merrily. Available in 2 colourways, Fairground and Violet. Trying to give a real variety and option here. Fairground has this lovely heritage charm with these reds and aquas, all inspired by old nostalgic circus tents. And then Violet's using the same golds and aquas, but actually accenting it this time with a slightly more feminine, powdery violet colour. There are 2 cloths available. We've got this one here called Merry Small, or there is the lovely stripe known as Merry Stripy. A lovely vertical would work really well on a blind or curtains, adding real verticality to your space. And 2 papers in this collection. Perhaps you want to go with something very subtle, just a little bit of something on the wall, and Merry Star would be the one for you. Or you want to go for something a little bit bolder and a little bit more dramatic, and the merry-go-round with that merry-go-round motif and the star set on a large grid pattern will add a real touch of drama to any scheme.